To fix Windows 11 display resolution grayed out, right-click the Start button, select Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters. Here, you'll see your graphics adapter. You may see Intel Graphics, AMD Radeon, NVIDIA GeForce, or another graphics device, depending on your computer. Right-click your graphics adapter and select Uninstall Device. If you see an option that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, select it, then click on Uninstall. Once the graphics adapter is uninstalled, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, wait a few moments. Windows should automatically detect the display adapter and reinstall the required driver. Now, right-click anywhere on your desktop and open Display Settings. Find Display Resolution. Check the option again. You should now be able to select and change your screen resolution in Windows 11. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.